Hello, today I have a just doing nothing to my skin. I've been doing a detox. Today is the first day of the detox. Well, actually, it's probably the second day of the detox. I didn't wear anything yesterday either, but I decided to just do a detox. So this whole week, I'm not going to wear any makeup except on New Year's Eve. So today is the last week of the month. So since the 28th through the, I guess, 1st, or 31st. I won't remember. Anyways, 4 whole days, I think is going to be enough to do a no makeup for the face. But I am still very self-conscious of areas that need attention because I get a lot of redness here, and I am sick right now, so my eyes do look a little bit, deep set. So I'm gonna do a little bit of skincare makeup, or this is gonna be as detoxy as I can get, honestly. So what I'm gonna do is just put on some eye care. This is like the second or third tube of this Ula Lift. It works really well. It not only does it depuff, but it also brightens a little bit. So I think this will be like all I need for the detox. So I'm just putting that into the eye. I have said this story a million times, but on my birthday, on the night before my birthday, a few years ago, I went out, and the next day I had like a birthday party to go to, obviously for me, and I didn't want to look crazy, so I grabbed my Ula Lift and I, put that all over, and it made such a difference. So I keep it in my arsenal. I really do. So that's what I'm doing, putting that in the under eye area. Now, I put on this little lash serum on my eyes. I got this one from Walmart. I put this one on right now. I'm going to just curl my lashes while the serum is there. I don't know if they're going to curl very well. I have the world's lightest lashes, yeah, they're probably not going to curl. They're lightweight, but they are very or they are long, but they're very lightweight. Anything on my lashes will just weigh them down, and then they'll just go straight. So I'm just gonna leave that serum on. Just about me and makeup, I wear makeup every day. I have worn makeup every day for the last few years. And yeah, it's not something that I foresee that I will stop doing, because I am in the real estate industry. I'm in sales, and I just can't be looking crazy. I just can't. I can't do it. So I go to a lot of events. I see a lot of different people. I'm on Zoom all day long. So I really cannot not wear makeup. So I thought about wearing just a primer, but that just does have some makeup aspects to it, so I'm not going to do that. But I think I'm going to wear this Lancome one. It's got a lot of skincare benefits to it. It's the Visionaire. I'm almost done with it, so I decided that would be okay. I debated wearing mascara all week, but then I thought, no, my lashes probably need a break as well, so I'm gonna go sans mascara as well. And what I have on the lips is this Hydrating Lip Oil. It is by Oui Cherie. No, it's by the Beauty Crop. It's called Oui Cherie, and it is vegan and cruelty free, and it's just like a really hydrating oil. it gives it like this tiny little berry tint to it as well. So that's it for now. I literally just have lash serum on, and the lip oil on as well, and that's it. I'm gonna go this whole week just giving my skin a good old detox. I will be doing treatments to the skin all week, so I plan to do masks. I don't know if I'll do it when I plan to do a like deep pore removing mask probably tonight, and then every other day this week I'm just going to be doing like the cloth masks that go on top. I have a lot of people gave me some, so I'm just going to try those all out. And I plan to incorporate a lot more into my skin this year, so I'm paying attention to what I am going to be putting on my skin, as well as in regards to clean beauty, as well as what I will be putting on my skin in skincare. So this year is going to be the year of the skin shining through and and healing and correcting itself. So I'll let you know my journey every month. You hopefully will start seeing a difference. But for now, I will be doing a skin detox, like I said, and then I'm going for that whole clean beauty look. So I'll let you know how it all goes. So I will check in at the end of this week on Saturday or on Sunday, maybe Sunday, just to give it a full week or a full try. And yes, I will let you know how it goes. Hello there. It has been a whole week since I have done my skin detox, and I have noticed such a difference in this week that I'm so glad that I did this. I don't know why I never did it before, but I mean, I've done it before a few days, like 2020, almost the whole year I went, no, I'm just kidding. But yes, anyways, I wanted to show you what I did and talk about the whole process and everything. So let's get into it. So from last Monday until today is Monday the 3rd, I had not put anything on my face, other makeup wise, other than skincare and lip gloss, lip balm. Actually, I'm gonna put some on now. And in that week, I'm just wearing good old chapstick. In that week, I also went out of town. I went to a very windy city in Texas called Amarillo. If you've ever driven through Texas, you probably have stopped at Amarillo. But anyways, what that city has is a lot of windmills, and it's a very flat city. And as a result, there's so much wind. I felt my skin get wind chapped so much, and very dry, very like it was just not a good place, not a good skin city, to be honest. I came home, I put on tons of skin masks and everything, but anyways, I did notice a difference in my skin tone. Hopefully you can see a little bit, but I have less red spots and less dry, less under eye. Also, my skin feels very plump because of all the moisture that I put back in it yesterday. And I don't know, I just noticed such a difference in touching it. Don't worry, my hands are clean. And yeah, I'm super, super happy about that. The other thing that I've noticed a huge difference is in the pores. Oh my gosh, that is probably the biggest reason. I noticed that they are not as clogged as before. I have very oily skin, so I get very large sebum-filled pores that can turn into blackheads. I do have some blackheads. I actually want to get a deep facial, like a deep extraction type facial, but for now a detox will do. Maybe we'll get that next month, who knows. But anyways, yes, that is what I got. I did this whole week, and I'm very proud of myself for doing it. So yeah, I really recommend it to everyone. And until next week, I will talk to you very soon. I actually do have planned a little tried and true mascara for you. So you'll see that before my next big video. So I'm gonna throw in a lot of tried and true reviews, which is like a 1 to 2 minute review on a mascara. I used to do these all the time, so I'm getting back into it. But anyways, I will talk to you very soon. Thank you so much for watching and supporting, and I will see you next week.